I am here today with my aunt, my friend Sydney, and my aunt Sue Chicken to do the cinnamon challenge with me. You know what?
Really? Teaspoon?
Always gotta get the great value. Oh, I'm gonna have instant diarrhea tonight.
Spread it out, smooth it out. So that way you'll have exactly a teaspoon.
I'm gonna throw up everywhere. Ready?
1,
2,
2,
3, go!
Oh, what is that?
Oh my god!
Aha!
Make Sydney eat a spoonful of
Heck no!
mayonnaise.
Ew, mayonnaise is nasty.